great to be here second time, and we have also expanded, our footprint in comparison to the last year, since we were getting very good response from the market. And after Texprocess joined Gartex, there were also inquiries coming up from around India that they will be joining this fair. A lot of people coming from around India, coming to the show, having a lot of inquiries about the products, and we have launched around 4 new products in this exhibition, which is getting very good response from the market. We have already assured our presence in the next edition also. So thank you, Gartex, for the wonderful response.
This Gartex has been very interesting and good show for us. We have had a good number of customers visiting us, and a lot of new customers which we haven't been associated with earlier have come here. A lot of visitors have come from faraway places. So I think Gartex and Texpros has done a good job in reaching this event to them.
HP is introducing the new series, the Stitch series in Gartex, after introducing the same in ITMA at Barcelona and ISA at Las Vegas. We found Gartex to be the best platform to introduce the Stitch series. We were able to meet a lot of key customers from the industry and potential customers in the show, and we hope to have a good business after introduction of Stitch in Gartex.
We are using this platform to promote our vision positioning system. This is the first time this kind of machinery has been showcased in India. We have also used this platform to showcase our high-speed sublimation printer as well. The visitors have been amazing over here. People from all over India are pouring in, no time to rest. So it's an amazing platform. Thank you.
We are very happy with this show. I feel that the quality of the show has been maintained. We are getting a good quality of visitor here. And we have taken an opportunity to show our new product which we have launched, that is FebPro 2. And we hope that through this show we'll enter to the mass customers of North India. So we are really thankful to the organizers. Thank you.
Denim Manufacturers Association is very happy to participate in this Gartex show, and this time Messe Frankfurt has become part of the show. Almost 31 mills from the denim fraternity have joined the show. This is a great platform for all stakeholders to be here. We have the buyers here, we have the suppliers here, we have the trendsetters here. All the mills wait for the show. They show the latest trends, the latest collection of fabric, and this has become a great platform.
Madura Coats has been in India for a very long time. It's the largest thread manufacturer in the world. Our experience this year, like any other year, has been fantastic. Gartex is one of the largest platforms we have in India. It attracts a lot of manufacturers across India. So for us, it's one of the biggest marketing platforms that there exists.
Since very beginning, we have been participating at Gartex just because of the quality and the kind of consistency they have shown us. From this show, we have got very good response. Even though business is very slow, we have got very reputable customers here. This show is a very good show, and we would like to participate every time in this Gartex to get good business from here.
This is the third day of Gartex Texprocess India. It's the first time that Messe Frankfurt and MEX Exhibitions are organizing the show together. We've had some very busy 3 days, and our conversations with exhibitors have confirmed that the audience has been of very high quality. We've had very highly satisfied exhibitors. We are very happy about that, and we're very much looking forward to the future of this joint project.
We are standing on the third day of Gartex Texprocess India. This is our first unified edition happening with Messe Frankfurt and Texprocess. As you know, since last 3 years we've been doing Gartex, and this is the 4th year, and now the show is called Gartex Texprocess India. We had wonderful 3 days, very good quality visitors. The feedback we've received from our exhibitors is tremendous. The show has grown multifold. We had a 40% increase in terms of the net area from last year, and the visitors is too good. We had visitors from top exporters, from Delhi, NCR. We had buyers from Panipat, Kolkata, Tirupur, Bangalore. So we see a pan-India presence of visitors. Whether we pick up any section, any industry, everyone is satisfied. So now we are making sections within the show. Like we have the denim section, the fabric section, the laundry section, the Digitech section, the embroidery zone. So we are trying to put more sections into the show and more focused buyer for each section. We are very happy with the response we've received over the years. We are launching the Mumbai edition of Gartex Texprocess India in March and August 2020 in New Delhi.